So you're going to learn the top 3 things to do after you've been told that your child has an injury to the arm at birth. Many of you will all know the diagnosis of Erbs palsy or brachial plexus palsy because your doctor will share that with you after birth. But you may not know the steps to take after that. How do I know all this? Well, for the last 33 years, I've dedicated myself to representing hundreds of people in medical malpractice cases. I've been able to get people the justice and compensation that they deserve. So here are the top 3 things to do after you've been told that your child has an arm injury at birth. Number 1, get yourself to a specialist called a pediatric neurologist. Now that can be from your pediatrician. Your pediatrician is not the person that you want to talk to, it's the pediatric neurologist. Why? Because they have a lot of expertise in these injuries. They can not only help you not only with the diagnosis, but more importantly, to tell you how severe that injury is. Number 2, make sure that you make an appointment at what's called a brachial plexus or Erbs palsy clinic. There's a really good one in Baltimore called Kennedy Krieger, and at that clinic, they can set your child up with very important physical therapy and occupational therapy. And the quicker that you get into these clinics and have this therapy, the better the outcome for your child's arm can be. So that's number 3. And I'm going to share with you my top recommendation. But before I do, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. I'm putting out a lot of great medical malpractice content. So what is my top recommendation? Is get an MRI for your child. Now, sometimes your doctors will balk. They will not want you to have an MRI because they'll say it's unnecessary or too expensive. But an MRI is the most valuable tool to be able to see the nature and extent of an arm injury that happens at birth. Without an MRI, it's almost impossible to be able to have objective evidence as to what's going on. So don't let your doctors talk you out of it. Insist on getting an MRI of your child's arm and neck. So these 3 things are really important because they're going to allow you to take charge of the situation. You won't feel as if you are walking around in the dark and you don't have an action plan.